This app is intended for lovers of racket sports of any kind. Let's learn how to use it. Download the smartwatch app to use the full power of our app and add a new experience to your matches. Use the smartwatch pin that you can see at the top of your screen to log in to your smartwatch app. It will automatically find your active match. On the Players section, you can see a list of all players. By clicking on a player, you can see their details and add them to your friend list. In the Match section, you can find your matches, your friends' matches, or the matches of any other player. You can filter the matches by modality, player name, or status. On the plus button, you can create your next match. 1. Choose if it will be a singles match or a doubles match. 2. Select the modality. 3. Select the number of sets. 4. Select if it will have a super tie. With a super tie, when a match is tied up, a tiebreak of 10 points is played instead of another set. 5. Finally, select your opponent. You can click Select Opponent 1 and select a player from the list. The other player needs to accept the invite. However, you can also create a match without selecting any players. If you don't define a player, a warning will pop up. Just click Continue, then select who will start serving. You can change it later. Managing the score is very simple. Just touch the left big number to score the left player or team, and touch the right big number to score the right player or team. If you scored the wrong team and need to remove a point, just click Remove Point above. You can change who starts serving in the 3 dots menu is greater than change who started serving. If it was set wrong, it will affect the statistics. Editing the score. If you need to edit the score completely, you can go to the 3 dots menu is greater than Edit Score, or just click here. To edit the score, use the rows to change the games, the plus button to add another set, and the trash icon to remove a set. Here, you can edit the games and sets, even the tie punctuation, but not the points inside a game. After editing, click Confirm. Second service tracking. Click the SS Second Service checkbox when you or your opponent commits a fault on the first service so you can get statistics about that. Coach Mode. You can turn Coach Mode on to get more detailed statistics from your match. When it is on, you can define the nature of the point. Remember, you can do all of this directly from the smartwatch, except you can't edit the games and sets from the smartwatch. If you don't want to use Coach Mode, you need to turn it off on the smartphone. Refreshing the score. If you're scoring from a smartwatch and want to refresh the score on the smartphone, use the refresh option on the 3-dot menu, or just click to add a point. You can ask a friend to manage the score of your match. They just need to be registered. To do that, go to the 3-dot menu is greater than Invite Score Manager, then select your friend from the list. If they aren't on your friend list, you can search for them by name. After adding them as a score manager, they need to accept the invite on their app. After they accept it, you will see a confirmation, and now they can add and remove points, but they can't edit the games. If another person is managing the score, it will not automatically update on your phone. You need to refresh it in the 3 dots menu. You can remove the manager whenever you want by going to the 3 dots menu is greater than Remove Score Manager. Now, they can't edit anymore. After the match is over, just click Finish, confirm the score, and now you can see the full stats of your match. If you scored it correctly, you can get useful data about your game. Click OK. And if you want to see the stats again, just go to your matches list, find it, and click on the card. It will open the statistics page again. Now I will show how it works when you invite another player to the match. Click on the plus button to create a new match. Select the modality. Select the number of sets. Select if it will have a super tie. With a super tie, as I said, when a match is tied up, a tiebreak of 10 points is played instead of another set. Finally, you need to select your opponent. Click Select Opponent 1 and select a player from the list. The other player needs to accept the invite. How scores work with invited players. Now you are in a match with your friend. The scores are independent. Your score will not change the score of your friend. Both players need to have the same score in the match for it to be considered finished. If they are not, you will be asked which score you want to keep. If you choose the score of your opponent because you think it is the right score, the match is finished. But if you keep a different score, the match will stay with the status Differ, waiting for one of the players to change to the correct score. To fix this, just click on the match card in the matches list to enter the live score. There, you can edit the score or just click Finish and choose the correct one. Now the match will have the finished status. Good luck in your next match. In the Event section, you can find an event to enroll in or create your own event. It can be a league, round-robin event, where all players play against all, or a knockout event, where you are eliminated if you lose a match and the remaining player is the champion. Soon we will have other types of events, like rankings and a mixed league with knockout. To create a new event, click on the plus button. Set all fields, like name and the event type, whether it will be a league or knockout. You can invite players, or they can ask to join later. After creating the event, in the event lobby, you can find the tabs, Players tab. This is where the event admin can manage the players, like removing some of them. If you are an admin, you can see the Admin tab as the last tab. In this tab, you can start the event by sorting the matches. Then, you can see the matches in the Matches tab. Starting an event match. If you want to start an event match and manage the score, just click on the match card in the event lobby. It will only be available to manage from your smartwatch when you add the first point. To finish the match and set the final score, both players need to finish the match and set an equal score. But don't worry, the admin can either set the final score and finish the match. If you are an admin, just click on the 3 dots menu on the match that you want to finish and set the result. In the Ranking tab, you can check the players' points and places. If the tournament is a doubles event, you need to set up your partner before the event starts, or the admin can set it up for you. The event will only start if all teams are set up with 2 players. When managing a doubles match score, both players of a team can manage the score, but both manage the same score. If I add a point, this point is added to my team score panel too. If you finish a match, you will be finishing it for your partner too. In the leaderboard section, you can check the rankings. Every match you play, whether from an event or just a friendly match, will count points toward the leaderboard, if it qualifies. The amount of points you earn per match depends on the opponent's level, whether the match is friendly or part of an event, what kind of event it is. Important note: you can start a friendly match without defining an opponent, but for an event match, all players need to be registered. A friendly match without selecting a registered opponent will not count toward the leaderboard. I hope you enjoy our app. Feel free to make a suggestion. We will be glad with your feedback.